Alright, sorry if it's noisy in here, but it's pretty hot, so I got two fans in here. Anyways, I got the Sterling 2V8 apart, and I'm cleaning it and fixing it. So right now I got that. Here, let me turn this fan off so that you can hear me a little bit. Anyways, here's this, so I took it all apart, and I cleaned it. Well, I can't get in there. So that might have to be left dirty, so, but I tried at least to scrub it, so, and got the old bearing grease out as well, so. Anyways, I cleaned up this piece here, the conduit piece that goes to the base of the Siren, and I put some anti something, I forget. Oh yes, here we go. Anti-short. So I got some anti-shorts on both ends, which didn't happen before. And I also replaced this cloth wire that was originally powering it with some newer wires that are definitely not like this. Back then they didn't have anti-shorts, so that if the jacket of the wire would cut into the, the wire itself, it would cause a short or something. Anyway, here is some of the parts. Got the top covers. Here's the stator and pieces here. There's the motor the motor stator, the motor itself basically. It's in pretty good condition. I got most of the parts here. So there's the chopper, the two brush holders and the brushes. Just making sure those are safe, Anyways, it's kind of where I am. I got like the parts in there that I took off. It was really hard to separate the Siren itself, this piece, and the base, this piece, because the bolts were really hard, like really rusted. So, and that was pretty complicated. Anyways, here's the new wire. It's a 10 gauge, so much rated to 30 amps that the Siren pulls. So that should be good. That was 12 gauge, I think, that right there. I'm not quite sure. I just took my wire strippers and matched it up. Anyways, yeah, that's the 12 gauge wire. I'll show here if I can get it to show. There we go. See? Resistant. And you can see right there, American wire gauge 10. So I got like 6 meters of this stuff to put onto that. I also managed to get that off, which was really hard as well. I got like a plenty big bag of anti-shorts. It's nice in case I have future projects. Anyway, that's pretty much. Here's the grease cap, so that goes on the bottom here. I cleaned that up as well, so that goes on the bottom here. Again, sorry about the fan noise, it's really hot in here. So that goes on there and works. I gotta get all my anti-shorts together. Anyways, it's really hard to get the old paint off, but it's coming off some way. Just takes time. I'm painting these. I was thinking of changing the stator color to black, and some of the outer housing pieces as well black, but also mixed in yellow, sort of like a bumblebee kind of thing. So it looks kind of cool. Anyways, that's kind of the update I got for here. So, and here's the SH10 just chilling. So as you probably all saw on my Instagram, if you're following me, I got like this, I redid the board here and it works better. So I even got the radio plug here. I want to look for the connector for it, so that I can make my own custom radio thing, so that just plug it in if I want, or if I want the original thing, I can still plug that in. For right now, the AR timer power light is dead, As you can see, is black in there. Filming on a Samsung S20 FE, by the way. Hoping this is really good quality. Anyways, it's kind of where things stand with the Sterling 2V8 at the moment. But yeah, also to mention, I heat shrink the wires here too on the motor so that it's protected. It was starting to fray a little bit here, but I saw underneath that it was a almost like the modern stuff, just a little bit, I think. I don't know. Either it was cloth wire, which hasn't yet broken all the way through like the Model 2 had. So this is nice, nice stuff. The Model 2 will eventually get redone to work again, but anyhow, here I'll show you the chopper itself. Just step over here. Here's the chopper. It's got, like, you can see where the two brushes were, the bearings. I do have to change the bearings because they squeak, but I can take this impeller off, or some like to call it a chopper. Either way, here's my Model 2. It's just sitting in there waiting for a little bit of TLC. Anyways, I will get this cleaned up and painted, so just all within due time eventually. I just gotta get out of here without tripping over something. Okay. So yeah, that's it.